Today I'm sharing how to turn a hard and fragile eggshell into a soft and flexible eggshell. You'll need some vinegar, a cup, a raw egg, a bowl, a screwdriver, a toothpick, and a spoon. Start off by poking a hole in the top of an egg and another hole in the bottom. Then push a toothpick through both holes in the egg to break the yolk, kinda like you're scrambling the egg inside the shell. Now comes the fun and kinda gross part. Put your mouth over one of the holes and blow air into the egg to force the egg yolk and whites out of the other hole. Now set the hollowed out eggshell into a cup and fill the cup with vinegar. The egg will try to float in the vinegar, but for this experiment to work properly, it needs to stay submerged in the vinegar. So to keep the eggshell from floating, place a spoon or a heavy object on top of the eggshell and let the vinegar work its magic for a few days. After 2 to 3 days of patiently waiting, get the eggshell out of the vinegar and gently rinse it under some water. Then go ahead and toss your newly transformed eggshell around and try to crack it. You'll notice the eggshell now feels very flexible, bendable, and even a little stretchy. This is because eggshells are made from calcium carbonate and the vinegar dissolved the calcium carbonate, but it can't dissolve the membrane. So after 2 days of soaking in vinegar, the shell is actually gone, and what you are left with is the membrane of the egg. Pretty cool, huh? If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps, so thank you so much.